Hey, so if you want to create a full tutorial series without spending hours editing every single video, you can actually do it using Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you how to build an entire series step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. Then create a new project specifically for your tutorial series. Now, plan your series. Break your topic into multiple small lessons instead of one long video. For example, episode 1 could be basics, episode 2 intermediate steps, and so on. Next, start with your first episode. Write a short script that focuses on just one topic. Then, use the AI video generator to turn your script into a complete video with visuals, voice, and structure. Make sure every episode uses the same style, same fonts, same voice, and similar visuals. This makes your series look professional. Now, just repeat the same process for each part of your tutorial series. Keep each video short and focused. Next, add a short intro and outro to every video so your series feels connected. Finally, export all your episodes and organize them in order, ready to upload to YouTube or any platform. So, yeah, that's how you can produce a full tutorial series using Dola AI. It saves time and keeps everything consistent from start to finish. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,